Here's another installment looking at the amazing AdMob method from Maverick Moneymakers. A unique method of marketing you've got to see. If you missed the first installment, check it out before you watch this one. Here's Mac Michaels, founder of Maverick Moneymakers, to explain more.
So once you have the text in, then for it says tile, you can actually put in a thumbnail image if you want to create like a small image or find an image on Google Images or anywhere. It has to be 38 by 38 pixels, and then you can load an image up here if you'd like to really make it pop. Well, what we actually found that works well is you can click on choose tile, and then you can actually pick whatever image you would like. And if you choose finance and business, you can see it puts a little graph in here, which is kind of cool. But then you can go through here and see all the different images and see which one kind of looks interesting to you. So even this one that looks like a little magnifying glass, that's kind of cool too, because it looks like a button you would want to touch. So you can go through and look at whatever ones. We'll just go ahead and choose finance and business, and we use this one a lot, and it works just fine because it's not really about the image as what people see, and they're actually reading, touch here to make money now. So once you get to that point, the next part is actually choosing your website URL. Well, you remember that ClickBank hop link that we copied earlier? This is where you're going to put that. So for website URL, I just hit copy and paste, and then I've got that URL in here. Now you see it says page must be formatted for the iPhone display. This is something where when you want to promote a product as an affiliate on an iPhone, you want to check with that product creator to make sure that their page will show up properly on an iPhone. Now, I'm using Maverick Moneymakers as an example because being one of the developers of Maverick Moneymakers, I can tell you right now that it is formatted to work on all cell phones. So that's perfectly fine, and this website URL is going to work. So once you put that in there, you scroll down and then look at the targeting, and this is where you can actually choose different countries that you would like your ad to show up in. Now, this is, again, if you don't have your own product or service, if you're promoting as an affiliate, you want to check with the product owner to make sure which countries that product is they actually take customers in. Well, again, being part of Maverick Moneymakers, I can tell you that we accept members from all countries. So that is going to give you so much more exposure and just open up, the floodgates to make more money than you could, more money than you could make by promoting any other product. So now that you have location, then you want to scroll down all the way to the bottom. Now this is what just blows people's minds, is where it says enter bid. It says minimum bid 3 cents. Now if you are wanting to promote on Google, for instance, and if you're trying to promote a product about making money and you have to choose keywords, and so your keywords are going to be in the make money theme, I can tell you right now, the minimum bid in the make money industry is at least $1. And that's $1 per click. So let's go ahead and pull up a calculator for a second. And I want to show you how much exposure you can get for your money. So let's go ahead and say if you had $100 to spend on advertising, and if you were going to go through Google, and if it's $1 a click, you're only going to get 100 people coming to a website because you only have $100 and it's $1 a click. Well, if it's 3 cents a click, and then if you take 100 divided by 0.03, you can get 3,333 clicks. 3,333 clicks on using this service and using this method, instead of going to Google and going to the big search engines and going through the pay-per-click bidding wars that everyone is doing. So, this is a gem just as it is. And just for watching this video, you should be very excited that now you know about AdMob. And even if you knew about it before and you never used it, you should use it. And we're using it. We're getting a lot of success, and that's why we're showing you.